Hey everybody, Samantha here outside with Spyro. So today's video is going to be really fun. I'm going to be bringing some of my animals outdoors and just kind of filming their experience outdoors and how they react. Obviously I'm not going to be able to bring all of them outdoors as some of them are very small and vulnerable to predators outside and a little bit difficult to keep my eye on. So I'll bring whichever ones outside that will be safe and that I'll be able to keep track of. As with any reptile, you definitely have to watch out for predatory birds mainly. So definitely never leave your reptiles outside unsupervised. But today's going to be really fun, and we're starting off with Spyro. As you can see, he has a really nice harness on. I got this harness off of Etsy, and it's just a nice little harness that goes around his chest and the bottom of his jaw there, and it has a nice little adjustable strap here, so it fits very nicely on both small and large reptiles. I would say medium size. Obviously a monitor lizard isn't fitting into that, but overall really nice harness, and again I got that off of Etsy. So let's get started. I'm going to put him in the grass and let him explore. So you will definitely know if your bearded dragon is feeling uncomfortable or stressed outside. When bearded dragons are feeling stressed, they will do what's called black bearding. So they will darken the tone of their beard and flare it out to make themselves look as big as possible. And they'll also pancake their bodies, so they'll make their bodies as flat and as big as possible to scare any predators away. So bearded dragons definitely know if there is a predator above them. They have what's called a third eye, which is basically a light sensory eye, so if there's a shadow above them, they will know. So you want to make sure when you bring them outdoors that there's no birds or planes that could potentially scare them. Luckily, Spyro has always been very calm outside, and he's been outside a lot, so he's very used to it. Alright, so I'm going to bring Spyro back inside. I'm really happy I got to bring him out into some natural UVB. Doesn't seem like he wants to move around too much out here. He does come outside with me a lot, but most of the time he's either on my shoulder like you see here, or he's sleeping in the grass. So normally he doesn't move around too much, so there isn't too much I could show you guys with him out here. But let's go get our next animal. Alright, so I've brought Penelope out here. I wanted to make sure she wasn't in direct sunlight, so I did bring her into the shade. And this is her first time outside, so I'm excited to see how she does. I'm also a little bit nervous, but we'll see. bringing Penelope right inside. She was getting a little bit rambunctious and it was making me a little bit nervous. But I brought Willow out here and she's been out here a lot. She loves coming outside. I would like to get Nala, my other cat, out here a little bit more, but she's only been outside a handful of times and I want to get her more comfortable on a harness. So enjoy watching Willow venture outside. Alright everybody, so I'm concluding this video with Viper. I'm not going to put him in the grass or anything in fear that he'll try to burrow and get away from me. Plus I'm sure he looks like a worm to a lot of different predators out here, but I did want to get him a little bit of sunlight as well. So this is the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I kind of want to do some more fun videos like this, so give me any suggestions you would like. And I would also kind of like to try to do some sort of Q&A, so if you guys want to ask me any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll try to get them in one of my future videos. Alright, well, Here's Viper, everybody. He's doing very well. He seems to enjoy it out here a little bit. It's pretty warm out here right now, so I'm sure he likes that. He is trying to burrow in my hand currently. But overall, this is his first time outside, so I think he's doing pretty well. Alright, well I hope everybody has a beautiful day.